The Form 4L backlight unit contains an LED array and lenses that produce and focus the light that cures resin during the printing process. A damaged backlight unit may prevent the printer from printing properly. Follow along with this video to replace the backlight unit on your Form 4L generation printer. These supplies are required to perform this procedure. If this video helps you solve your printer's issue, please like the video, and thanks for watching. To start, we will prepare the printer in a dust-free workspace. Remove the build platform first to avoid dripping resin onto the light processing unit, or LPU. Remove the resin cartridge and close the vent caps to prevent resin from dripping off of the bite valves and into the printer. Unlatch the mixer and the resin tank. Remove the resin tank and cover it with its lid. Set the tank aside on a clean, flat surface. Clear a workspace around your printer. Ensure that the workspace is well ventilated and free of dust. Open the printer cover and clean any resin pooled on and around the LPU with paper towels. Dampen the paper towels with isopropyl alcohol if necessary to remove the resin. Disconnect the power cable from the printer before continuing with maintenance. Wait 5 minutes after disconnecting the printer from power before proceeding. Remove the Wi-Fi antenna from the back of the printer and set it aside. With the help of another person, grip the Form 4L by the bottom and front rear corners. Carefully rotate the printer so that it is resting on the back surface with the bottom facing you. Leave at least 30 centimeters of clear tabletop in front of the printer when it is lying down. Use a 3mm hex driver to remove the 12 socket head screws that secure the backlight unit to the bottom of the printer. Only remove the socket screws. Do not remove any Torx screws from the printer. Set the screws aside. Grip the two handles on the backlight unit. Carefully pull the backlight unit away from the printer and pivot it until it rests on the work surface. The backlight cables are located at the front of the backlight unit. Gently squeeze the plastic tabs to unplug the backlight cables from the backlight unit. Do not pull on the individual wires. Open the cable management straps and remove the backlight cables. The LED fan cables are located in the bottom left of the optical cavity. Squeeze the plastic retaining clips and unplug the LED fan cables from the printer. Do not pull on the wires. Once all of the cables are disconnected, remove the backlight unit from the printer. Set it aside for disposal with electronic waste. Place the replacement backlight unit on the workspace in front of the printer. Orient the backlight unit with the backlight driver cable connected at the front left. Connect the LED fan cable connectors to the LED fan cables at the back of the printer. The connectors make an audible and tactile click when secured. Connect the backlight power and driver cables to the backlight unit. The connectors make an audible and tactile click when secured. Route the cables along the edge of the backlight unit and secure them under the cable management straps until the cable is flush with the surface of the backlight unit. Some internal cables may have moved during the repair procedure. Move any loose cables so that they are positioned alongside the metal tab in the optical cavity. Lifting with the two handles, gently slide the backlight unit into the printer and align the backlight unit with the alignment posts. Do not pinch the wire bundles. Ensure the backlight unit is fully seated. Using a 3mm hex driver, hand tighten the 12 socket cap screws on the bottom of the printer to secure the backlight unit. With the help of another person, grip the Form 4L by the bottom front and top rear corners. Carefully rotate the printer so that it is resting on the printer's feet. Reattach the Wi-Fi antenna to the back of the printer. Connect the power cable to the printer and turn the printer on. Insert any missing consumables and perform a small test sprint to ensure that the printer is working normally. Did this video help you get printing again? If so, please leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Also leave a comment telling us what videos you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching!